In this tutorial, I will guide you how to delete mods in Assetto Corsa game. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, I want to delete this mod that is called the Devil 16 2014 Remastered, which is a car mod I can view through the Content Manager application for Assetto Corsa. Now, if you want to delete this mod, it's very easy. You can open your Steam if you're using Steam. So I'll go to Steam here, go to Library. Now here is my game, which is Assetto Corsa. If you don't have the game on Steam, don't worry. I'll just show you on how to delete it also. So you'll have to go to the installation location for Assetto Corsa game. Now install location can be viewed through the Steam or any of their files. So select here browse local files. Now this will open the install location or root folder for Assetto Corsa. Once you open the folder for Assetto Corsa game on your PC, just go to content folder and then go to cars. Now if you have the car mod, go to cars. If you have the trucks mod, go to trucks mod. So I'll go to cars mod, and then also on the cars mod you'll have to search for that mod that you want to delete. Now the mod I want to delete is this, which is Devil 16 2014. So I'll go to D section. Here the Devil 16 2014. Now what you need to do, you'll have to delete. So right click on this and then select here delete. So I'll delete this mod, and then also delete. You can cancel this. Also can close this content manager. Once you close this content manager, you can reopen it. So if, for example, if I search for the mod which is Devil 16 2014, you can see it is not suggested here on the list of the cars mods. So that's how you can delete the mod in Assetto Corsa game. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.